Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Shopify store. First, begin by creating your Shopify account, which typically includes a free trial period, often lasting 3 days or more. Next, select a unique and memorable name for your online shop that truly represents your brand. Finally, accurately provide all essential business information, ensuring everything is correct for a smooth setup process. This foundational step is crucial for your store's success. Once your account is ready, it is time to populate your store with products. Upload high-quality images and write compelling descriptions that highlight each item's unique features. Group similar products into logical collections, making it simple for customers to navigate and find what they need. Remember to set competitive pricing and diligently manage your inventory to avoid overselling or stockouts. This ensures a professional and organized shopping experience. Now, let's focus on making your store visually appealing. Choose a theme that perfectly aligns with your brand's aesthetic and product type. Shopify offers many options, both free and paid. Customize the layout, colors, and fonts to create a unique and inviting look. Don't forget to add crucial pages such as About Us and Contact, providing customers with important information and ways to reach you. A well-designed store builds trust. The final steps involve setting up the operational backbone of your store. Configure your shipping rates and define the delivery zones where you will send products. Next, integrate secure payment gateways, offering customers various convenient options like credit cards or digital wallets. Before going live, thoroughly review all your settings, from product details to legal policies. Once everything is perfect, you are ready to launch your brand new Shopify store to the world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.